So now we are going to see another one problem, moment of inertia of the shaded portion. So here, so in this diagram, so this is the shaded portion, and I hope the circle is the removed portion. So this is the removed portion. So now I am dividing this into two elements. This is the first right angle triangle, and it's the second right angle triangle, and the another one is the 3, that is the removed portion called a circle. So now I can make what is the dimensions of all these elements. So element 1, that is the right angle triangle, their base is equal to 4 and the depth is also 12 centimeter, and element 2 is again an right angle triangle, so base is 4 centimeter and D is 12 centimeter, the same. Element 3, so this is a base for this, the 4 and the 12. Again the circle is there, circle of the diameter of the circle is given as 4 centimeter. So we know the basic dimensions. Now we can move on to the calculation. So first of all, we know that this is the symmetric element. So this left hand is the mirror image of the right hand. So that is what called as symmetric element. So now we know that from the diagram also we can say that this xx and yy. So finally this is the G point. So centroid point is given. So that will be 4, x will be 4 and y is also 4. But for our case, for the calculation of moment of inertia, we need this x value of this individual elements. So we can move on with the steps. So we have 3 elements. So now I am making 3 elements. So element number 1, 2, 3. So here you can make element area x of that particular element y. So element area x y, that is enough. We can calculate the centroid. Then from this moment of inertia, this is for centroid calculation G. Now we can have the moment of inertia. So Ixx, Iyy. Okay, Ixx of element, Yy of element Ixx from the parallel axis theorem about the centroidal axis. We are calculating Ixx equal to Ixx of that element, that is the parallel axis, plus a into y minus y power the whole square, that is h square. Iy is equal to Iyy plus a into x minus x power the whole square. That's it. So now we can proceed. For the element 1, I can say this is, so we can have the axis here. In the diagram also we can have the axis y and x. So this axis y and x, I can see this is the right angle triangle. Height is 12 and here 4. Now we know the formula, area is equal to 1 by 2 into b into h. Here h is taken as d. Okay, 1 by 2 into 4 into 12 equal to 24 centimeter square. Okay, next, so x. So I can say that we have the formula for the centroid of right angle triangle. So that is from the base, from this side we have the formula. You can say this is the right angle triangle, means for the G we have the formula b by 3, that is from the base. For y also we have the formula d by 3, that is from the base. But in this case, for this problem, we don't have the base is here, that is extreme side, that is not in the nearer side, it is in the rearer side. So we have to do that. The formula will be total. I can see that from here it is b by 3. So total minus this distance. We know the formula b by 3. So you will get this answer. We are calculating from this reference axis. So x equal to, total is 4. 4 minus b by 3. That's it. Because base is in the rear. 4 minus 4 by 3. What is the answer? Next, y is equal to. Now no problem. We have the base here, b by 3. Oh, problem. B by 3. If it is like this, means we can go with likewise this procedure. Okay. So is equal to 12 by 3 equal to 4 centimeter. For this I have to calculate 4 divided by 3 is equal to, okay, 4 minus this is 2.66 centimeter. Okay, with this we can solve. Next, for element 2 x y, what is that? Right, again and right angle triangle. So we know that 12 4. Now x has some gap is there. For this element we have 4 centimeter here. So you have to calculate, while you are calculating the x, you have to consider this one. That's why I am noticing here. So now a is equal to 1 by 2 into BD, we know that, so both the values are same, 4 into 12, so the answer will be 24 centimeter square, no problem. So now x equal to, no problem, base is here, so no need for minusing and all those things, but here the space is there, so we have to plus 4 plus b by 3 equal to 4 plus b value is 4 by 3 equal to, what is the answer? 4 divided by 3, 1.33. 4 plus answer is 5.33 centimeter. Next, y is equal to, no problem, b by 3 equal to 12 by 3. Y is, you know that from here, we are calculating from here. So base is there with the axis, no problem for plus or minus or anything. So 4 centimeter. And the last element is the circle. We know that the circle is not at all touching any axis. So we should go first, okay, what is this distance? This distance. So here we know that the diameter is 4, because you know that this is that diameter is 4. So what is the distance from here to this outside? From here to this basin. So total it is given as 4. This is 4. So radius will be 2. From here this will be, or this will be, this value will be 2. So remaining this gap is also will be 2. Total 4. 4 minus 4 will be 2. So here you can say this is a 2. Again this is totally 4. This radius is 2. Okay, then the gap will be again, for this end, this gap will be again 2. So I can say here 2. So while you are calculating these all those things, you have to consider this 2 and 2. So A is equal to circle formula. What is the area formula? What is the area formula? Pi into D. Okay, pi into diameter is 4. What is the answer? So pi into 4 equal to 12.56 centimeter square. So again x is equal to, calculate, 2 plus just d by 2. 2 plus 4 by 2 equal to 4 centimeter. Y is equal to again 2. 2 plus d by 2 equal to 2 plus 4 by 2 again 4 centimeter. So with this basic data we can calculate the centroid. So x bar, already we know the formula, a1 x1 plus a2 x2. The third one is the removed portion, so we are making minus a3 x3 divided by a1 plus a2 minus a3. So you substitute everything. A is here a1 x1 y1, a2 x2 y2, a3 x3 y3. While you are substituting everything, you will get the answer 4 centimeter. Next, for y bar, a1 y1 plus a2 y2 minus a3 y3 divided by a1 plus a2 minus a3. You will again get the answer 4 centimeter, because we know that this is a symmetric element. Okay, for proceeding this we need this table, that's why we are proceeding. Next we can move on with ixx. So here ixx of this element, what is the formula for the right angle triangle for calculating the value of ixx? What is the formula? 1 divided by 36 bdq. Iyy 1 by 36 change dq. So you substitute and find out the answer here. Again the same formula, 1 by 36 bdq. Iyy is equal to 1 by 36 into dbq. So both are right angle triangles. Finally for circle, pi by 4 into d power 4. Iyy, same formula, pi by 4 into d power 4. So I just copying, you just substitute here of all those values and you will get the answer. The values are all here, you can just substitute and you will get the value. I just copy from here. So here it is 192 and again it is 12.56. so here answer is 21.3, again 21.3, and this is 12.56. okay, so now we are proceeding to this one. The same substitution ixx by using parallel axis theorem, we have the formula here. Ixx value is 192 plus what is a 24 bracket, then y minus y bar. So y value is 4, y bar value is also 4. 4 minus 4 the whole square. So you will get the answer 192 centimeter power 4. Iyy again 192 plus what is the area? No problem, it is 24. What is y minus y4? Y value is 4. So exactly there. So 4 minus 4 the whole square. Again it will be 192 centimeter power 4. Next, xx. Then ixx of this circle. What is the area for ixx for value? 12.56 plus area value is 12. Same, area is also same, I think. What is that? 12.56 area is also okay. 12.56. Then y minus y bar. Y value is 4. Y bar value is also 4. Because symmetric element. Y minus 4 minus 4 the whole square. So you will get the answer 12.56 centimeter power 4. Now the same thing you have to do for Iyy. When you are substituting all the answers, you will get the answer called. So Iyy will be, here it is 64, and again here it is 64. This will be 12.56. Now we are moving to the final calculation. As what you do for the centroid, ixx also the same, ixx1 plus ixx2 minus ixx3. For this element it is a removed portion. Iyy is equal to iyy1 plus iyy2 minus iyy3. So you just substitute everything and find out the answer here. I just copying and writing here 371.4 centimeter power 4 and iyy value is 115.4 centimeter power. Just you can sum all those things and you will find out the answer for that. So you just remind here, if you are doing for an composite element, if the removed portion is there means you just make here as minus. If no number of removed portion is there means you can go with minus and okay, thank you.